And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today appealed to artisans to become entrepreneurs and businessmen by taking up the benefits of the PM Viswakarma scheme. The Prime Minister was addressing a function on the anniversary of PM Viswakarma Yojana at Swawalambai ground in Wardha. He said that over 6.5 lakh beneficiaries were provided with the modern machinery and toolkits in order to increase the productivity of traditional occupations. He also informed about the benefits of the loan scheme, which provides a loan of 3 lakh rupees.
विश्वकर्मा योजना की मूल भावना है सम्मान, सामर्थ्य और समृद्धि। अब तक 6.5 लाख से ज्यादा विश्वकर्मा बंधुओं को आधुनिक उपकरण भी उपलब्ध कराए गए हैं।